Hello and welcome to the Crypto Law Weekly. Happy 4th of July! Fidelity and other major crypto firms are applying for the national OCC banking charter, supposedly to bypass the state money transmitter licensing 50-state patchwork nightmare. But importantly, under the new stablecoin Genius Act, having a national banking charter would allow these companies to issue a new stablecoin directly. These companies are placing their bets on the incoming OCC chair, Jonathan Gould, being more crypto-friendly than his predecessors. So far, only Anchorage Digital has made it through the regulatory gauntlet, but stay tuned.
Andrew Reel's Palmer Luckey and Palantir's Peter Thiel just announced Erebor, a digital bank named after the Lonely Mountain in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit. The bank is raising $225 million at a $2 billion valuation to serve startups and crypto firms left stranded after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse in 2023. With a focus on stablecoins and regulatory compliance, Erebor aims to be a stronghold of wealth and a beacon of prosperity for the next generation of tech innovation. Backed by Thiel's Founders Fund and Palantir co-founder Joe Lonsdale's 8VC, it's set to redefine banking for the AI, crypto, and defense industries. Stay tuned for more crypto legal updates from Hotter Law.
This week, Connecticut has banned all state agencies from investing in or accepting Bitcoin. Imagine proudly banning the future like it's some kind of flex. This is not going to age well for Connecticut. You can't ban Bitcoin. You can only ban yourself from all its glory. As for the price, Bitcoin's currently sitting at 107.7, and we're going to stick with 107,000 for this time next week. ETF flows are looking pretty strong this week. We saw another 20,000 Bitcoin added to the top 10 ETFs. We saw really low activity in the mempool. It's sitting at 750 unconfirmed transactions, which is like last week was 23,000. We're sitting there. Active addresses are up. The Fear and Greed Index went from 49 to 55 this past week. So all the metrics are looking pretty good. The price did just slightly break 110,000 earlier in the week. And then just this morning, a giant whale moved 40,000 Bitcoin. Some people think it's Roger Ver flexing his muscles, but it definitely spooked the market, and we dropped down to 107 now. On the macro side, it looks like the government is about to turn bank-issued stablecoins into some kind of new monetary bazooka. Think QE2 on steroids. They're going to flood the system with liquidity by having banks like JP Morgan back stablecoins with T-bills and not dollars. In the long term, this kind of reckless monetary policy is great for hard assets like Bitcoin, but in the short term, there might be a slight liquidity lull. The Treasury is refilling its general account by pulling nearly $500 billion out of the markets. So this could weigh on Bitcoin before its next big leg up. So 107,000 this time next week. What do you think? Make sure to let us know in the comments and have yourself a wonderful long weekend.
Money